Actor and partner of Sushant Singh Rajput, Rhea Chakravarti, was questioned on Sunday for 6 hours by the Narcotics Bureau in the drug angle case with regard to the death of the late actor. She was also then, after the questioning, has been summoned again on Monday. Take a look at this report.
Rhea leaving her Mumbai home for NCB office on Sunday after Narcotic Bureau officials served her summons, asking her to join questioning at 11 a.m. Rhea reached the NCB office among mad rush from assembled media persons to face a marathon 6-hour grilling. On day one, Rhea was reportedly evasive about using drugs herself. But sources said that she confessed to sourcing drugs for her boyfriend Sushant Singh Rajput. Sources said she was aware of Sushant's former manager Samuel Miranda procuring drugs from peddler Zayed on March of 17th. Rhea also admitted to drug chats with her brother Shovik Chakravarti, but maintained she herself never consumed drugs.
I have never taken any drugs.
So you had tried MDMA once?
Never. And I'm willing to do a drug test.
During the grilling, Rhea was also asked about her drug chat with other accused, including former house manager Samuel Miranda and house help Dipesh Sawant. Both Dipesh and Miranda have testified against Rhea, claiming they got drugs at her behest. India Today has learned that Rhea is likely to be confronted with other accused on day 2 of her grilling. Rhea is accused of purchase and possession of drugs. She is also facing the charges of drug consumption, their transportation and usage of banning drugs. The Narcotics Bureau may opt to arrest Rhea if her answers are unsatisfactory or there is any mismatch.
NCB officials are going to grill Rhea Chakravarti for the second day because they haven't got any confession from Rhea regarding consumption of the narcotic drug. She hasn't received or delivered the said drug, and that is why NCB officials are trying to extract a confession from Rhea Chakravarti. With camera person Sachin Sawant and Munish Pandey, this is Divyesh Singh in Mumbai for India Today.
Trouble is mounting for Rhea Chakravarti because 2 of Sushant Singh Rajput's closest aides have named her in a drug link investigation. Now, the late actor's house help, Dipesh Sawant, for one, told the Narcotics Bureau that he did procure drugs, but it was on instructions of Rhea and Shovik. Take a look at this report of what precisely may happen for Rhea on Monday.
Rhea is finding the drug news tightening on her after sensational revelations by Sushant's house staff, putting his girlfriend in dock over drug scandal. Sushant Singh Rajput's domestic help, Dipesh Sawant, can prove trouble for Rhea. He has been sent to NCB custody till Wednesday over charges of drug peddling.
The Honorable Court has granted NCB custody to Shri Dipesh Sawant till 9th of September.
During sustained overnight interrogation, Dipesh made explosive revelations before anti-drug sleuths, claiming he got banned narcotics on 5 to 6 occasions at Rhea and Shovik's behest. Dipesh told NCB on April 17th he received 10 grams of weed from peddler Kaizan near Sushant's Mount Blanc building on Rhea and Shovik's instructions. In fact, WhatsApp chats from May 1 reveal Shovik asked Dipesh to get 5 grams of marijuana from a person called Dwayne. Both Dipesh and Sushant's former house manager Samuel Miranda, also arrested by NCB, have revealed that Bollywood celebrities used to attend drug-fueled parties at Sushant's farmhouse. However, Dipesh's lawyer has alleged that his client was held without his family's knowledge.
वो 4 तारीख को 10 बजे से उनके पास था. अकॉर्डिंगली 24 घंटे में उसको प्रोड्यूस करना था. उसके घर वालों को मालूम नहीं था, उसकी कोई वेयर अबाउट्स मालूम नहीं है, कोई एप्लीकेशन दिया नहीं है. उनका ऐसा कहना है कि उन्होंने इंक्वायरी के लिए रखा था और कल ही उसको अरेस्ट किया. हमारा कहना है कि वो 24 घंटे से ज्यादा उनकी कस्टडी में था, तो हमने वो अर्जी फाइल कर दी है कोर्ट ने उसके ऊपर एनसीबी का कॉल किया रिप्लाई.
Armed with these statements given by Dipesh Sawant, Samuel Miranda and Shovik Chakravarti, sources within the Narcotics Control Bureau have told India Today that on second day of questioning, Rhea Chakravarti might be confronted with the arrested accused in the case, including her own brother. NCB sources also claims that they have enough ground to arrest Riya Chakrabarti, but the second day of questioning will decide that whether Riya Chakrabarti will be arrested or she walks out after NCB's questioning. With camera person Prashant Bhatt, this is Munish Pandey in Mumbai for India Today.
So 6-hour-long questioning by the Narcotics Bureau of actor Riya Chakrabarti. Before her questioning, she also issued a statement. However, she's alleging a complete witch hunt against her. She's asking whether it was a crime to have fallen in love with someone and to be in a relationship. Take a look at this report.
प्यार तो सुशांत ने तो बोला उसको एक ही दिन में हो गया, पर मैंने एक्चुअली बोला था कि 2-3 महीने दो मुझे, मैं बताती हूँ। ये आई लव यू जो वर्ड है बहुत बड़ा वर्ड है, और मुझे क्या पता था कि इस आई लव यू वर्ड की सजा मुझे अब तक इस तरह काटनी पड़ेगी।
He was the love of her life. They spent months together as live-in partners. A not-so-distant memory which has now come to haunt Riya Chakraborty. Before venturing out to face the Narcotics Bureau for very first time over purchase, sale and consumption of drugs, Riya on Sunday chose to profess innocence. Remembering her love one more time, asserting it no crime, slamming what she called a deliberate witch hunt. But adding that she has not applied for anticipatory bail and is ready to face jail. All as a consequence of her love. An emotionally charged Riya had told India Today about how she stood by Sushant.
रिया, आप मोर्ट्यूरी जाती हैं
जी,
जहां सुशांत की बॉडी रखी हुई है
जी,
एंड यू से आई एम सॉरी बाबू, am I correct?
Yes, what else is someone supposed to say to someone who's lost their life? And today I'm sorry that your death has been made a joke. I'm sorry your last memory is not going to be your good work, your intelligence or your charity. I am sorry that everyone has made a joke of your death, and I'm sorry you lost your life.
Riya's father, retired Lieutenant Colonel Indrajit Chakraborty, had issued a scathing statement on Saturday after arrest of son Shovik, congratulating the country for what he called the destruction of a middle-class family.
Is Riya a scheming villain or a woman paying a bitter price for her love? The sooner India gets to know the truth, the better.
Bureau Report, India Today.
India Today's special investigation shows how drugs are actually easily available in the even posh localities in Mumbai. The situation hinting at alarming levels of drug consumption in the Bollywood town. Take a look at this special report.
Former arrests underway in the drug angle to Sushant Singh Rajput's death. But what is happening in one high-profile case appears to mirror what is occurring across Mumbai. Welcome to the drug hotspots, ringing bandras, posh neighborhoods. An India Today investigation has found how the sale and use of contraband from charas, ganja, ecstasy to cocaine has exploded well beyond celebrity parties to impoverished slums of the metropolis. The man seen on your screen is peddling it to the youth in broad daylight. The location is barely 200 meters from the apartment of arrested drug suspect Abdul Basit Parihar, right across the street. Our investigative reporters found how peddlers are running the show brazenly in these dusty lanes of Bandra, just a kilometer from where actor Sushant Singh Rajput lived and died. When our undercover reporter met this peddler posing as staff of a wealthy businessman hosting a drug party, he offered us MDMA, commonly known as ecstasy, a reference to which is allegedly found in WhatsApp chats purportedly of Riya Chakraborty.
KMD? नहीं। कितने की आएगी? क्या बात कर रहा है? क्या भाई?
अरे मैं सैंपल बता रहा भाई, अभी भरेली आएंगे ब्लॉक पूरी हो।
मेरे को 200 ग्राम चाहिए।
कितना चाहिए?
200 ग्राम।
50 करके दूंगा भाई। हाँ? 50 200 ग्राम।
कितना पड़ेगा? कितने का पड़ेगा? 12 रुपये ग्राम। ये मिलेगा? कोकीन
भी मिलेगा।
स्टॉक कैसे मिलेगा?
हाँ।
कितने का मिलेगा?
4000 रुपए।
इनका भाई का
डिब्बे आएंगे उलांडो।
कितना ग्राम होगा उसमें?
अपना 7034 रहेगा।
कितना ग्राम होगा? 1 ग्राम। हाँ? बल्क में मिलेगा क्वांटिटी में?
कल जो मिलेगा पूरी चौक रहेगा। चौक आता है ना?
हाँ।
पूरा चौक रहेगा।
आधा पैसा एडवांस देंगे तो ही मिलेगा, नहीं तो नहीं मिलेगा भाई।
तो एक साथ तो 50 मिल जाएगा ना?
एक साथ 50 मिल जाएगा, लेकिन आधा एडवांस देना पड़ेगा।
We now inquired about ganja and found a peddler selling it some yards away.
ये वीड है।
ये गांजा।
ये 50 पीस चाहिए हो? 50-100 पीस। कितने का मिलेगा?
वही 100 रुपए के।
100 रुपए के।
We now probe Bandra East. The lanes through these shanties also teem with ganja peddlers like this man.
माल चाहिए? क्या है?
घास है, काला नहीं। घास है, गांजा है।
गांजा है?
पूरी मिलता हमारा। पूरा कितना? पूरी मिलेगा।
तो पूरी कितने की आएगी?
पूरी 130 रुपए की।
हाँ?
130 रुपए की पूरी।
130 रुपए की गांजा।
Gangs operating freely with territories divided slum to slum. A sign drug consumption has grown alarmingly in the Bollywood city. Mohammad Hizbullah, Jamshed Khan and Nitin Jain for India Today's Special Investigation Team.
But the original question remains, how did actor Sushant Singh Rajput die on 14 June? Was he murdered? Was it a foul play? Or was it death by suicide? There are many theories that have been surrounding the death of the late actor, and that includes many top multi-agencies like CBI, Enforcement Directorate, and even the Narcotics Bureau. They are all probing different angles but eventually connected to conclude about the death of the actor. Now, a 3-member All India Institute of Medical Sciences doctors team who are working on a possible foul play theory have now made a big revelation. Take a look at this report.
Close to 3 months after his mysterious death, there are more question marks than answers in the Sushant death mystery. Now the AIIMS forensic team has questioned the suicide theory. In Mumbai for 3 days, the AIIMS team of autopsy experts found glaring loopholes.
It clearly mentions that the ligature mark appears horizontal in mid of neck. It's not high up. In mid of neck, bruised rather than high up placed, oblique and abraded. So if in case somebody hangs himself, then there's a whole abrasion that happens because the cloth actually travels from the middle of the neck to the highest most part of the neck. That entire abrasion is not seen.
The 3-member AIIMS team also asked 4 pointed questions from 5 Cooper Hospital doctors, asking why they ruled out Sushant's death as homicide.
4 questions for the doctors. What is your opinion about the ligature mark alone without mixing the other internal examination findings and inquest reports? So the question is specific to the ligature mark. They say, do not mix the other internal reports. Just tell us, what is this ligature mark? How will you explain this?
As part of its probe, the AIMS team also visited Sushant's house with the CBI on Saturday and recreated the crime scene. It also visited autopsy department of Cooper Hospital and interacted with doctors and mortuary staff. With Anjana Om Kashyap, Bureau Report, India Today.
There seems to be no end to a war of words between film star Kangana Ranaut and the Aghadi government leaders in Maharashtra. The actor has now released a video and this is clearly attacking Shiv Sena's Sanjay Raut. Kangana, in this fierce, defiant response, is blaming Shiv Sena's Member of Parliament for apparently empowering harassers instead across the country. She further adds that Sena leaders have been threatening her, yet she will be in Mumbai on the 9th of September. She is also clarifying that she did not criticize the state of Maharashtra, but only spoke against Sanjay Raut, terming it as a legal right to express. Earlier in the day, remember, Sanjay Raut even refused to say sorry to the actor, saying she needs to apologize first to the entire Maharashtra. He's alleging Kangana Ranaut has insulted the pride of the state. On Friday, Shiv Sena party workers even staged massive protests against the actor. This, as Kangana, remember, had compared Mumbai to Pakistan-occupied Kashmir in a tweet reacting to Raut.
आपने जिसका भौंडा प्रदर्शन पूरे समाज के सामने, पूरे देश के सामने किया है, वो मानसिकता इसकी जिम्मेदार है। और इस देश की बेटियां आपको माफ नहीं करेगी संजय जी। आपने उन सब महिलाओं का शोषण करने वालों को सशक्तिकरण किया है, इस देश की बेटियां आपको माफ नहीं करेंगी। जब आमिर खान जी ने कहा था मुझे इस देश में डर लगता है, तब उनको किसी ने हरामखोर नहीं कहा, या जब नसीरुद्दीन शाह जी ने कहा था तब उनको किसी ने हरामखोर नहीं कहा। जो मुंबई पुलिस की मैं तारीफ करते हुए नहीं थकती थी। आप देख लीजिए मेरे पुराने कोई भी इंटरव्यूज, आज जब वो पालघर की लिंचिंग में साधुओं को के सामने वो कुछ नहीं करते हैं, खड़े रहते हैं, या एक लाचार बाप जैसे कि सुशांत के पिताजी उनकी एफआईआर नहीं लेते हैं, मेरी स्टेटमेंट नहीं लेते हैं, तो इस प्रशासन के चलते हुए अगर मैं उनकी निंदा करती हूं, ये मेरी अभिव्यक्ति की आजादी है, मैं उनकी निंदा करती हूं। संजय जी, मैं आपकी निंदा करती हूं, आप महाराष्ट्र नहीं हैं। आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि मैंने महाराष्ट्र की निंदा की। और संजय जी, मैं 9 सितंबर को आ रही हूं। आपके लोग कह रहे हैं कि आप लोग मेरा जबड़ा तोड़ देंगे, आप लोग मुझे मार डालेंगे।
उसने महाराष्ट्र के बारे में जो बात की है वो जाकर उसके पूछो, और बाद में मेरे पास आई। अगर वो लड़की माफी मांगेगी महाराष्ट्र की तो मैं सोचूंगा। वो लड़की अगर मुंबई को मिनी पाकिस्तान बोलती है, क्या वो उसकी हिम्मत है अहमदाबाद को मिनी पाकिस्तान बोलने की? अगर मुंबई के बारे में, महाराष्ट्र के बारे में कोई भी व्यक्ति जो मुंबई में रहती है, मुंबई में खाते हैं, पीते हैं, मुंबई में बड़े होते हैं, कोई भी व्यक्ति के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ मैं, अगर मुंबई के बारे में, मराठी मानुस के बारे में इस प्रकार का अभद्र भाषा का इस्तेमाल कोई भी करता है, कोई भी अगर हमारे में से कोई करता है, तो मैं भी यही कहूँगा, महाराष्ट्र की माफ़ी मांगो, मुंबई की माफ़ी मांगो, आप पूछ ले उनको।
And not just Sanjay Raut, listen in now to what Maharashtra's Home Minister Anil Deshmukh had said on Friday.
ऐसी मुंबई पुलिस की तुलना उन्होंने जो की है, ऐसी हालत में उनको महाराष्ट्र में रहने का, मुंबई में रहने का कोई अधिकार नहीं है।
And it's a wrap on this bulletin. Thank you so much for watching. You can log on to indiatoday.in for all the latest. You can also download the application on your phones. Stay safe, take care of yourself. Thank you very much for staying tuned to India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.